My name is Dr. Kate Hare, and I'm a primary care doctor. I'm here to answer some commonly asked questions by patients about the most appropriate place to get care. Your primary care office is, again, a great option for this. We all know how important it is when you're trying to get better to get a good night's sleep. And part of the benefit of going to see your primary care provider for something like this is they have a list of your medications that you're taking. They know your past medical history, so they can make sure that they select a safe option that will help you get the sleep that you need while you're trying to heal.